What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have the Husky adjustable work table. This thing right now is on sale as we speak. Today is May 13th. Yesterday was my birthday, so this is part of my birthday present, and I will do another video of a little birthday thing that I'm gonna do. But anyways, this is 62 and a quarter. So they was right on that 62-inch table, but they gave you 62 and a quarter. So they gave you an extra quarter inch, which is good for you. All right, they said this goes to 29 inches, which is 29 inches. So you got 29 inches to 42 inches. So let's check that out. So you go left and it goes up. Let's see how far we can go. Woo! Y'all always might get tired. All right. That was a lot. Let me back y'all up even more. Lift y'all up some. Okay, so that is 42 inch. This is a deal for me. It's a deal for $200. You can't beat it. They selling even a smaller one for even more than what this one costs. So this one is on sale right now as we speak, so y'all can be ahead of the sale. This comes with 4 adjustable legs, or it comes with the casters. I put the casters on, that way I can roll it out, do what I want to do. If the kids want to use it on the other side of the room, they could use it. If they want to, if they have friends or if they want to eat downstairs in the basement, they can bring this over and take it out there to eat. Or if they want to put their laptop, they can do their little gaming on here. This table is good, $200, 42-inch height, and that's it. Like, comment, and please subscribe. Don't forget, this is a sale. So I advise you to get it before it goes off a sale. Like, comment, subscribe.